Hi there, fellas. My name is John David, and today we are going to talk about wayang kulit. Wayang kulit is also known as a shadow puppet. It was originated from the country of Indonesia, and it was made in the 10th century. What is our topic for wayang kulit? First, what is wayang kulit? Second, what is the beauty of wayang kulit? Third, how is the wayang kulit different from other shadow puppets? And lastly, how is music related to wayang kulit? Let's talk about the other things about wayang kulit. Wayang kulit's ancestor arts was the Javanese people. And do you know that they found wayang kulit in the culture of Java, Bali, and Lombok? Let's jump in and explore wayang kulit. For me, the beauty of wayang kulit is it has different kind of designs and easy to find materials. The difference of wayang kulit and other shadow puppets is other shadow puppets are using hands in the dark. Wayang kulit is related to music because of its performance. While in performance, the dalang uses a cymbal-like tapping tool at his feet to cue the musicians. Thank you for joining me to explore wayang kulit. Goodbye and